Hello dear student, I am Dr. Chandrakala HD. Welcome to the video class of programming language using C. In this video, I'll be teaching you what is a constant in C and what types of constants are supported in C language. A constant is nothing but a data item whose value does not change during the program execution. Several types of C constants are available. The main types of C constants are integer constants, real or floating point constants, character constants, and string constants. The integer constants are nothing but whole numbers which do not contain any fractional part. These must contain at least one digit and they can be either positive or negative. So positive numbers are indicated by a plus sign and negative integer constants are indicated by minus sign. If an integer constant is given with no sign, by default it will be assumed to be positive. In integer constants also there are three subtypes: decimal integer constants, octal integer constants, hexadecimal integer constants. The decimal integer constant consists of a constant or number from decimal number system. The allowed set of digits for these constants are from 0 to 9. These are preceded by a plus or minus sign. Some valid decimal integer constants are 341, minus 341, 0, 8972. You must observe that the possible digits in these numbers are 0 through 9. The next type of integer constants are octal integer constants. The octal integer constants, they contain numbers from octal number system. They have a combination of digits 0 through 7, which are only valid. And the octal integer constants always begin with a 0. Examples of valid octal integer constants are 010, 0424, 0, and 0540. The third type of integer constants are hexadecimal integer constants. These constants, they contain a valid set of digits from 0 to 50. 0 to 9 are same as what they were in decimal number system. Then the numbers 10 to 15 are indicated by A to F respectively. So A stands for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, and E for 14, and F for 15. The hexadecimal integer constants always are preceded by 0x, where x can be a capital letter or small letter. Example valid hexadecimal integer constants are 0xd and 0x8d, 0x, 0xbd, so on. So even the letters A to F can be either small letter or capital letter. The second type of constants are real constants. The real constants are used to represent the floating point numbers. The floating point numbers will contain fractional part as well as a whole number part. There are two ways in which you can write real constants: fractional form and exponential form. And just like integer constants, even real constants can be either positive or negative. Some example valid real constants which are represented in fractional form are 0.05, minus 0.905, 562.05, 0.015. This is how we represent it in fractional form or decimal notation, which we use in general mathematics. There is yet another form called exponential form, exponent form, in which we can represent a real constant. This form contains two parts, mantissa and exponent, which is represented by either small e or capital E. Some examples of valid real constant represented in exponent form are 252e85, 0.15e minus 10, minus 3e plus 8. So this e is part of the syntax. The first part, which is the mantissa part, can be a whole number or even a real number. And the digit which appears after E indicates the number of digits which come after the decimal point. The third type of constants are character constants. Character constants are single characters which are enclosed within single quotes. Some example valid character constants are A, Z, and 5. So 5, when it is enclosed within single quotes, is no more treated as an integer. It is treated as a character constant. All character constants will have their equivalent ASCII value, which is a 7-bit equivalent binary. So as per ASCII convention, the value of character A, capital A, is 65. So like this, for all letters and numbers which are allowed to be character constants, there is an equivalent ASCII decimal value. And in turn, as soon as it is typed on the keyboard, the number, say for example, if A is typed, the number 65, which is the ASCII value, will be converted into equivalent binary and fed to the computer. Fourth type of constants is string constants. String constants are nothing but a sequence of characters which are enclosed in double quotes. For example, hello, ABC, hello 911, so on. So every string constant is terminated by a null character called /0, and size of string is always considered taking into account the total number of characters plus the null character, one for the null character. So whenever we write a combination of characters within double quotes, they are treated as one unit, they are treated as string, and in memory they are represented as those characters itself. So there are some special symbols which are used in C, and they have special meanings. These special characters are brackets, parentheses, which are either curved brackets, square brackets, or even flower brackets. Along with these, we have other special symbols like colon, question mark, hash, equal to, so on. Any of these can also be part of the string constants as well as character constants. So this was about the different types of constants supported in C language. Thank you.